Oh my god. Alright, when flushing the radiator, pretty simple. This hose here going into its radiator. So what we're going to do is just unclamp this and let all the liquids come out. Itself, just spray it with water. I would recommend if you were to use a pressure washer, do it from a distance, because if you were to hit the spots that allow air to go through it, if you were to hit these with a lot of pressure, that would bend and clog the place up, and you want to be able to have airflow through it. So yes. Once you have everything cleaned up, no water left. This is still seeping, but I believe it's done. I mean, it's better than it was. All we have to do is just plug this back in, clamp it back, and fill in the new liquids, new coolant. What I was basically saying here is that we've entered the purge stage. We have topped up all the coolant, but there's still air bubbles left. So what you do is you just turn on the car, leave it idling for about 3 minutes, and then that will circulate the coolant. And then once you're done with that, you rev it up to about 2000 RPMs for about 30 seconds and then let it go. And then let it rest for another 30 seconds and then do it again for another 30 seconds. This allows the coolant to circulate into the system and will leave the air bubbles to come out. That's the whole point of the purge system. And once you're done with that, just top up the coolant when you're done, and that should be it. So this right here is right after I finished purging the car, and you will soon see how much more coolant I'm able to add. It was pretty topped up before, but you can see now that I am able to add a little bit more coolant, Some cars don't really need the purging method, but it's best to be on the safe side. Like I was. I was unsure that this car needed it, but I just did it to be on the safe side. And this concludes today's video. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment. It really helps support your boy. And without further ado, thank you very much. And if there's anything that you want me to try in the future, just make sure you put it down in the comments. Action. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel.